All right, Alex here again. This is just to show you guys the backtest results for MetaTrader 5. Yes, you can use the ORB bot. We do have an EA file for the ORB bot for MetaTrader 5 and for MetaTrader 4. Personally, I don't trade Forex anymore. I used to. I think a lot of people who trade futures got their start in Forex, but we had enough people asking if we can make this available for Forex, and we went and got it built out despite some of the coding language translations we had to get done. But you will see the backtest results here. I show you guys in the how-to videos how to get the bot downloaded, how to load it into your MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 terminals. I provide the master set files. I go over everything you need to actually be able to get this thing uploaded pretty quickly and get backtesting with it. Again, with our 7-day free trial, you can literally try the bot out for 7 days for free, completely risk-free. I run this bot. It's been great for me. I've gotten multiple payouts with this bot just alone, let alone some of the other bots we have here. I've even thought about going into some Forex auditions just to get it going, just to get more capital. But with that being said, let's go over the backtest. I'm in MetaTrader 5. I have this IC Markets MT5 account. I have a demo account here. And let's go over the settings. So I'm going to move my face a little bit. You'll see it's the exact same settings that I do in the futures account that you may have watched the video over there with the NinjaTrader 8. So here you can see I've got the ORB bot pulled up. I'm trading on the US Tech, which is going to be the NASDAQ 100 and Forex terminology, at least with this broker. Sometimes it's US Tech, sometimes it's NAS 100. I've got 2024 January 1st up to basically a couple days ago, March 12th of 2025. So we're looking at almost a 14.5-month backtest time frame here. I'm even using slight delay with the slippage, so it's not perfect fills. And yeah, starting with the 100,000 account. And you'll see here, let me move my face. I'm going to go over to the inputs, put me over here. And you'll see I am going to use pretty much the exact same sizing. Now, I did have to adjust the position size to make sure the risk was adequate, so I'm not risking 10,000 or 15,000 per trade, so it's a small, still $300 risk. And you have all the same settings that you have with the NinjaTrader 8 setup. So trade window is true. Now keep in mind, when you're trading with Forex, you have to adjust your time window for your broker server time. So I'm on the West Coast, as you can probably see down here. It is currently 12:55 p.m. for me, and on my broker it's 22:50. So it's 10 hours ahead. So for me, same settings as I did with the futures. I'm basically looking to have the bot start looking for trades right at New York Open, even though it has to still establish the range, and I let it trade basically for the first kind of half of the day. So direct same settings here. Here's the range start. So it'll start calculating the new range at New York Open, which with this server with IC Markets is 1630. And then to 1645 is the close of the range. Again, in the videos where I show you how to download this, I explain these settings and how the bot works in a lot more detail. But as you can see, here's the settings, both directions, an offset of 10 ticks, which is obviously, at least with this broker, nothing. It's basically a point. Stop loss, 5,000 ticks, $50, 50 points. TP1, 1-to-1, TP2, 2-to-1. Break-even functionality on. And I can even put the trail functionality on. Here I have it as false, but it doesn't make too much of a huge difference here. And yeah, let's go ahead and start the back test. Put my face back over here. We'll start it up. Let's go check out the graph and watch this thing live. So again, no bot is perfect. There are going to be drawdown days. There are going to be days where it loses a couple in a row. But overall, because of the risk reward, because of the strategic edge with this bot, you might get a glitch out in the data here. You can see it's a pretty strong equity curve for the year. Let's see if we get a data break. Yep, there it is. I don't know why MetaTrader 5 does that. MetaTrader 4 is even worse. If you're going to do any back testing, just my 2 cents, always back test with MetaTrader 5. I don't know how people still use MetaTrader 4. But obviously, there's not a single trade where we're risking, I don't know, what is that? 10,000 on a single trade. So let's go look at the results. Move my face over here. Yeah, so there's our glitch out in the data. But you can see overall pretty good history quality there. We started with 100,000. If we go back over to the graph, let's say we take this. So what is this? This is pretty much down to 100,000. So from there we did another, what is that? 13,000. So you could add that to this. So pretty close to about the same, 33,000 profit for, what is it, 14 and a half months. On a smaller risk trade, right? We're risking, I think, 300 bucks per trade here. So get pretty similar results. Overall, strong profit factor, as you can see here. Again, you get the bot for 7 days for free. Try it out, backtest it on your own, run it on a sim account, see how the results play out. But overall, going to be hard to argue with that equity curve, and obviously you would be taking this whole thing and adding it up to basically here, because that's a trade where it's risking $13,000 on a single trade. But yeah, so that's the back test on MT5. That is going to be the orb bot settings. We do also have settings for US 30, which is going to be the Dow Jones. We do also have settings for US 500, which will be the S&P 500 or SPY, whatever terms you want to use. I go over in detail not only how to download this bot and get it into your MT5, but I also go over the importance of knowing your position sizing, knowing your contract size with your different brokers, making sure your time frames are aligned with your server's start time and end time, things like that. I walk through that in very clear detail, but it's a 7-day free trial. We even have our 10x guarantee on that. You can see that right here on the WAPs. It's a beast of a bot. Our team has been doing quite well with it. I've been doing well with it. I've been doing so well with it on futures that I'm now considering jumping into and getting an additional Forex audition just to try to get more capital in my hands. So been quite happy with it. Hope you guys try it out. I think you'll be very, very happy with it as well. And we're just hoping to help as many people make money off prop firms as absolutely possible here. All right. So if you do have any other questions, let us know. You can message us here on WAP. You can message us on social media. You can message us through our website. You can message us on Discord. All of those are free to message us as well. But the orb bot is an absolute beast. Hopefully you guys check it out, give it a go, and let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, we'll see you on the charts.